So, and that's why the word gentleness is used for the key to mindful speech. It's not about not allowing strong or powerful expressions. It's really about staying attuned, like the physician's feeling the pulse. Yeah, we're staying attuned to what is our body saying, what is our heart saying, what is coming up in our mind, what's coming up in dialogue. That's the gentleness we're talking about. That's why I use the example of Dr. Abelage, because his message was extremely enraged about the injustice of the loss of his whole family, but he never went into aggression because he stayed attuned to speaking his truth without exaggerating or suppressing. So that comes back to the third need, which is to speak our truth. And it's actually denying that need when we take somebody's truth and we inflate it or suppress it. We have to keep coming back to the attunement of what am I, what is my body saying, what is my heart saying, what is my mind saying, or what is this other person saying? Because the moment that we take their truth and distort it, we have kind of created a trauma around that. And that's happened to all of us. And that's the challenge that